I woke up this morning with a song in my heart. You carried me gently, never let me fall apart. When the road was dark, you became my light. You spoke my name, now my soul is alive. Every breath I take is a gift from you. Every step I walk, Lord, you walk it too. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. Life of my life, I belong to you. Ndiza kutamandani masiku oshe. I will praise you forevermore. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. My hope, my song, my everything. When the storms were raging, you said, peace, be still. Your voice calmed the waters, bent every will. I was lost in the valley, you called me home. Now I stand on the rock, I'm never alone. From the rising sun to the setting day, I lift my hands, I lift your name. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. Life of my life, I belong to you. Ndiza kutamandani masiku oshe. I will praise you forevermore. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. My hope, my song, my everything. You are good, Mulungu wa bwino. You are strong, Mulungu wa mphamvu. You are faithful, simusintika. Yesterday, today, forever the same. Ngakhale ndiyende mchigwa cha mdima, simundisiya mulinane. Even in the fire, even in the flood, I will trust you, my God. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. Life of my life, I belong to you. Ndiza kutamandani masiku oshe. I will praise you forevermore. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. My hope, my song, my everything. Take my heart, take my soul. All I am, Lord, you control. Moyo wanga ulimanja Mwanu, Yesu. Yesu.